Hello, hello. How are you all doing today? So, I haven't done an unboxing in a while, and Juvia's Place, their website, was actually having a huge sale. Now, I am a fan of shopping the brand's website over than some of these retail stores. Sometimes you can get good deals at Ulta and Sephora, and I know a lot of Sephora just had a huge sale, and Ulta has their sales every month or every week, or they have their special buy one get ones, or all kinds of deals, or special gift with purchases. And I offer a lot of gift with purchases, but sometimes it really pays to shop the website. So last week, and they still might be going on. I'm not really sure, but and sometimes, and they also sell through here too, through TikTok Shop. But they were having a huge sale that I took advantage of. So and I collect the Juvia's Place palettes. Juvia's Place is one of the few companies that I pretty much love everything they use. Lately I've been using mainly Juvia's Place and Lorella. I've actually set some of my other stuff aside, just because of my eye issues, sensitivities and things, and the purity of their shadows it's just excellent. So here is the box, and let's I should be using my bigger scissors, but I'm not. So let's I'm actually opening from the bottom, but I'm using my little nail scissors. So let's unbox. Okay, so what do we have here? We have, there's my receipt, and I was able to get quite a few palettes. There were 480, 675, 675, 480, 480. And there was, I also had a code. They also had a discount code, because they saw, sometimes I'll put things in the cart, and then I don't ring it out right away. And because I'm thinking about it, right? Well, these websites, they know when you're doing that. And lo and behold, they'll be like, oh, we saw you were looking at our site. Here's an extra discount. Okay. So look at this. Okay. What did I get? I got the Taupes by Juvia's, and a Lori 3. I mean, I got a lot because this is my favorite. And then I got the smaller, they're the quads, the Rebel Honey, Rebel Mints, and the grays. Now, I have had my eye on these Rebel Mints for a very, very long time. And look at how beautiful this packaging. Okay, they're also a POC brand, and so it's always nice to support that type of business. All right, so we're going to open this up, and look at how beautiful, how the packaging matches. And then wrapped really nicely. Okay, beautiful. Okay, look at how gorgeous these pastels. And I always keep this so that you don't get the, it kind of holds in the fallout of the gray. Okay, and this one's the grays. Okay, and then I'm just going to do this because they all have a seal. They all are sealed really, really nicely. I'm going to go through, trying to go as quick as possible. Quick. If you're a beauty lover, when your favorite brands have sales, okay, here are the grays. Okay, gorgeous. It makes a big difference. It makes a big difference when you're using things that don't irritate. And I for a while there, I was using some different ones, some of the cheaper, lower end. But I mean, you can't go wrong with $4 or $6 or however long. But some of the ones that are even less than that, and I started developing problems again. So I've never had an issue with Juvia. So Rebel Honey, look at how gorgeous. Oh my God. Okay, let's just swatch. There's a gorgeous, look at this bronzer. Look at that. We're talking pigmentation, okay? Pigmentation. Look at that orange. And those are what I use. Even though you think, who's wearing orange? This is what I put up here, and then I blend it out, okay? You can do amazingly stunning things with these colors. All right. A Lori 3. Okay, this is a bigger one. I mean, I'm trying to collect them all. It's like Pokemon, trying to Gotta catch them all. It's like Pokemon. Gotta catch them all. Okay. Yes, how does a 60-year-old person, almost 60-year-old person, know about Pokemon? Look at how gorgeous. Stunning. Stunning. I have had my eye on this palette for so long. This one was $670 something? $675? $675 and $480. $480 for the small ones, okay? These are such good quality. Such good quality. Alright, and then the taupes. I already have a couple of... This is to fulfill my whole collect, because I have the naturals, the nudes, the nude palette. I have a lot of them. Berries, the sweet pinks, the berries, the nudes, the chocolates, the Warrior 3, the Zulu. Okay, so then the taupes. Like I said, this is fulfilling a collection. Oh my god, so gorgeous. Stunning. And so it really is. They're like gorgeous. These are cool, like cool neutrals, okay? Cool neutrals. Sometimes you want to do some cool neutrals, or sometimes I mix the warms and the cools together. So this is just stunning. This was my birthday present to me. But I spent between the discounts, the extra discount that I got off with the code, and with the sale prices, I spent a total of and there was just some shipping. There was a shipping price, but it was very low. $31.11. Okay, for all these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 3 quads, and 2 palettes. Okay, just amazing. This is my birthday present to myself, really. And I'm really excited to play around with these, and to show you, bring some more looks, and show you some show you some more creativity, and it just kind of like it's just always exciting when you get some new things. It's like new paints, you know, it's like, as an artist, it's like new colors to play with, new textures, and you know, I'm really excited. We finally have some sun. It's still very cold here though, unfortunately, but it's still, at least we have more sun than we had been having, although we had no sun since last Friday, and now it's Wednesday. So it's one of those things where you don't let the sun fool you. You still have to wear your winter jacket when you go outside, where I live. But anyway, yeah, it's still April, so I'm really excited for these. I'm excited to play with these, and I'm excited to show you some new things. So anyway, follow for more if you enjoy what I show, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and thanks so much for the support always. Okay, see you next time. Bye.